Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar. See ya with the song called Champion here. We have a collab here with Tierra Whack, Kaliii, and Jimmy Jolliff, okay? So, see as Champion here, we have one chord progression that goes in the same way through the entire song with one string pattern as well. It fits this one. So, let's take a look at this song here with the capo set on the 3rd fret. Best scenario for us. So with that, we have the 4 chords: G, B7, E minor, and C. G sounds like this. 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. The B7 is a bar chord. So that is a bar here on the 2nd fret. You don't have to bar the last E string if you don't want to, but the 5 strings below you have, and then you have the 4th D and 4th B added. The next chord is E minor. So that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. And then C finally. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. I can just mention, if you don't want to go with the bar B7, there's actually a version of this where you don't have to bar anything, you just play the B7 like this. Okay, I can show you that as well if you want to, and that will be 2nd on A, 1st D, 2nd G, open B, and 2nd E. You have to incorporate all the fingers there, but yeah, you don't have to bar. So it's up to you, this or this B7. Anyway, let's take a look at the chord progression, and it will be actually in the same way as we learned the chords. So G, B7, E minor to C. And it goes like this, round and round. Now the string pattern. So if you go to the first chord, the G, one string around will be like this. Okay, fits perfectly for the song here. So that will be a long one. We will divide this into 2 different parts. So the first part will be down, 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 up. So down, 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 up. Then you do a short pause there and you play the next part, which is up, down, 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 up. Up, down, 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 up. All right, so if you combine these 2 parts, it will be down, 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 up, down, 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 up. A couple rounds of it. So there you have it. Now we have to change some chords to get this song right. So yeah, I'm gonna play 1 string around per chord here, and in the same chord progression like I mentioned before: G1, B7 1, E minor 1, C1. It sounds like this. Alright guys, so good luck with CS Champion. Hope to see you here soon. Till next time, play tuned.